little kids of Christmas lights that lit the town. These days it seems much colder. Maybe we're just getting older. Let's enjoy the pantomime. Pull out all the stops and make this one the best Christmas yet. You know it's undeniable. We'll drink to remember and forget beside the roaring fire. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Christmas is the time for cuddles. Maybe this year